Hey team, I know it's been a minute or two in putting out episodes and stuff, and interesting enough, it's been tough. There's a lot of stuff going on in the world, and I do actually find I kind of feel guilty around doing these videos and stuff when so many people are struggling with cost of living. It's a lot of things in life, and when you look around and see, people struggling to buy groceries, and in New Zealand, the cost of butter's got up to about $8.50, which is probably €4 around the rest of the world. And interesting enough, we produce the stuff here, so it's why do we pay so much for something that we produce? And it's based on markets overseas, to be fair. So anyway, with that thought and acknowledgement, as well as the stuff that's going on around the world of the wars and stuff and politics, we live in a crazy time. So I've found it hard to sit down and start thinking about how I can put this out and start doing some of this stuff. So here's me trying to give it another go and see if I can't put something together. We are looking here in the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom on the second floor. As you know, we've started doing the ensuite in the bedroom, and right now we've started to clear out this room and start installing some windows and stuff. So let's crack on and speed this up and get into it.
some kind of... Yeah, what? I think there must be a... Yeah, I just thought about that. And I think a window unsupervised.
Really?
I reckon it must have been some kind of... Like, that's perfectly... I know it's perfect rectangle, and that's fine. Hold on. What is that like?
Safe?
No, well...
Yeah.
Well, that's what I mean. I think it's like a self. Yeah, like that's obviously built like that. Like that's cool. Look at this. And that's quite a purposeful hole there. Ooh, I wouldn't put your hand in that, you nutter. But
It goes right through.
Yeah, so there must be a purpose to it. Like, I don't know. Maybe someone else knows, but it's shaped like that. Like.
Maybe it was a prison.
Oh, and that's what they poke the food through.
Yeah. It's been filled up with something.
It's interesting though, eh?
Mm.
Like they would have just shoved stuff in there to fill it out. You might not want to get too much out.
Yeah, I'm curious.
To see where it goes or what it was, eh? Would you like a glove?
Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da.
Maybe there'll be some gold billions here.
Good night. Yeah, it comes out here.
Outrageous.
Hey,
Yeah.
it comes out here.
Comes out the other side, apparently.
Look.
Ah!
This is all soft.
Oh yeah, so some kind of post box.
Yeah. Weird,
But
man.
it's built in.
Yeah. That's something like a shop.
You don't have to dig it out
Shall we?
today. Okay, shall we?
Shall we?
This is what happens. We're like, oh, we won't do any work out here.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, I got
Ready?
sandals. Hang on. Yeah. Holy. Oh my goodness.
Look at that!
How cool.
What is that for? Is that where you put your guns out and shoot people? Bow and arrows. Bow and arrows.
So that just goes right through.
Yeah.
It's got to be explanation. Or we'll just be filling all that back in. But how cute. Like, did you put your candle in there? Or your... This room's got heavy duty locks on it, so maybe it was a...
Safe.
Oh, it's cool.
Handshake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there you go.
It's not very private. Maybe we should put a door in here.
Yeah, well, let's leave it open and figure out what it's for, and then, yeah,
You could just put a little cupboard front on it or something. Stained glass window. Oh yeah, because that wouldn't be creepy to look at your hole and see that. Anyway, hey, that's cool. Back to my hard work, but that was cool.